So who would have thought? I come down to the park to video record eagles, and here I am on my second 911 call in one day. This is just nuts. And the police still have not shown up. It's very clear that this is a public park because I was the only person who was stopped here today. Nobody else was stopped. So that's what harassment is. Harassment is being treated differently from the general population. So this is a city public park. You should be able to come in here without any issues, wander around, take pictures, video record, mind your own business, and that's not how it went today. It was a very disgusting and unpleasant experience in the city park today.